Today we're going to be taking a look at the SWFT Fleet, an electric bike with a beach cruiser style, a top speed of 20 miles per hour, and a range of 28 miles. It retails for $1,000 and you can buy it at Best Buy, where it's sometimes even on sale. We'll put links in the description of this video to the best deals and coupons to save you money. The e-bike comes in a big box and you'll need to do some light assembly. SWFT has an assembly video that shows you how to do it step by step, and they include all the tools you need. You just need to attach the front handlebars to the frame and also install the front wheel. The brakes are traditional rim brakes and they may need to be adjusted so they don't rub. You also need to attach the pedals and the seat post. Taking a look at the specs of this bike, it has a 500-watt motor in the rear wheel, which will give you plenty of power. You can either ride it in pedal assist mode or use the twist throttle to accelerate without having to pedal, even from a stop. And with the top speed of 20 miles per hour, it's going to be plenty fast for most riders. And it even has enough power to climb moderately steep hills. The pedal assist has 3 modes, and you can control the pedal assist using the up and down buttons on the left-hand side of the handlebar. The small screen is a simple LCD display that will show you what mode you're in, the current speed, along with the battery life and the total odometer and trip meter. There's also a front LED headlight that you can turn on by pressing and holding the up arrow for 3 seconds. The battery is 48 volts that can easily be detached using the key lock. For range, SWFT advertises an average of up to 28 miles on a single ride, but your actual range will depend on your weight, how fast you ride, and the terrain you ride. The e-bike has a weight limit of 265 pounds, while the bike itself weighs 50 pounds, making it pretty lightweight. Riding the Fleet, it's super comfortable with a large, comfortable seat, and the handlebars extend out closer to you. So it's more laid back and you can be sitting more upright. Though the frame is a bit smaller than other full-size bikes, making it a little more perfect for shorter riders. One thing to keep in mind is that the Fleet is a single-speed e-bike, so it doesn't have any gear shifting. That means that you'll be in the same gear the entire time. And while this might be a drawback for some people, we like it that it keeps it simple and lightweight. For brakes, the e-bike has traditional rim brakes, which squeeze the rim in order to stop. These aren't as good and have as much stopping power as disc brakes, but they are simple and easy to maintain. However, they do require some adjustment in order to fine-tune them. The bike also doesn't have any suspension, so you'll want to ride mostly on streets and bike paths. And it also doesn't have any mud flaps, so you'll want to avoid puddles and rain. But overall, we really like that the SWFT Fleet is a great budget e-bike for all riders. It's simple and lightweight while also being quick and comfortable to ride. With the retail price of $1,000, and if you can get it on sale, it can make it one of the most affordable e-bikes that you can buy right now. Alright, that's it for now. Next, be sure to check out our other e-bike reviews and comparisons.